This is probably in the top three. You know what? This is actually probably the number one kit that I've ever reviewed. That's my honest personal opinion. This is really nice. Like really, really nice. I have not given anything the top number one spot. This one's getting it. Hello my friends, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're taking a look at this smoke barrel. We're going to go ahead and open this up. You guys can pause the video if you want to read some more information about this. But it basically goes over and shows you how it works. We can actually read it for you guys. Smoke lid attaches to the top of the barrel. Smoke the barrel using the smoke lid. Enjoy smoked cocktails. Pretty simple if you ask me, my friends. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get. This, my friends, is really awesome. Take a look at this. So this is the barrel. That is really cool. Really, really cool. So we're just going to set everything up and then go from there. I do want to point out that they provide you with the torch, the butane fuel that you need for the torch, and a little smoker kit with all the stuff that you need. The wood chips are oak, and you get quite a few of them, which is really nice. So far, I'm very impressed with this kit. Let's give you a rundown on how this is going to work. You're going to have your drinks on the inside like there. Well, actually, first let's set everything else up. For this wood piece, so you guys get some LED lights, we're going to go ahead and open this up here. There's going to be batteries already in here, but there's plastic over top. I'm not sure if there's on both batteries, but we're going to take the plastic piece off, place it back in. Okay, so here we have lights. You can press the button to change the light modes. Just like this underneath. Now it's going to go in. Lift the lid up. Slide this in. And your cocktail drinks or whatever drinks that you were going to be doing will go on top of this board piece, which is nice. It fits in there perfectly. And you will be able to watch it, which is really cool. Now, how this is going to work is you're going to take your basket, you're going to take this piece here, take this piece, take the lid off, place your basket inside, put the wood chips inside, light it until they're smoking. You're going to place it directly on the top here. You can turn it in a little bit, and you can have it on the top before you light it if that works for you, and you would light it. Once it starts smoking, you then place your cap back on top. This will prevent the smoke from coming to the top, and then it will go into the bottom. Due to guidelines and policies, we can't show you actually doing that because of dangerous acts and promoting, but this is exactly how it's going to work. And of course they have these little stands that we're going to set up. That way, the barrel is setting on top, which it just looks really cool, my friends. Like, I'm very impressed with this kit. This is a nice kit. Now for the butane torch, they tell you how to do it, but it's pretty simple. I recommend wearing gloves and like rubber gloves when you're doing this, but hold it up like this, place it down in the nozzle, and then you'll apply pressure. Sometimes it can shoot out the butane, which is very cold. So I always like to wear gloves when I do that. And because I practice safety first, I recommend doing it outdoors. But this is the torch. Probably can't see that flame. I don't believe it's just, it might be underneath here. Let's go ahead and see here. Okay, so it is adjustable. Underneath, you can turn this to lift this little piece up here. You can turn that, and then you can have a bigger flame. Might be able to see that better. That background just wants to blend. And when you let go, it will slowly go out. But that's the torch. And this is the kit. Very, very nice. Make sure when you're done with your torch, you don't set it down like that. You want to set it upright for it to cool off. This is probably in the top 3. You know what? This is actually probably the #1 kit that I've ever reviewed. That's my honest personal opinion. This is really nice. Like, really, really nice. I have not given anything the top #1 spot. This one's getting it.